Go.
Oh. Oh, I can't walk. Hold up. Oh, my glove.
Why is your glove off?
Because it got snow underneath it. In Minnesota right now. Very deep snow. I can see in Minnesota. We came from Florida. It was hot and we decided to go to somewhere cold, get refreshing. And yeah, that's where we're here now. And deep snow. By the way, we pretty much bought everything that's on me because we don't have any snow stuff because we live in Florida. It's pretty cool. Very, very deep snow in Minnesota. Oh my gosh.
You might want to put your gloves back on.
My gloves.
Glove.
If I put my glove on, it's gonna make my hand cold.
Mm.